guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. If you're here for the first time, I am Sanchita Sinha on your screen, and if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And today is the second video of the Durga Utsav series. If you have yet not watched the first video, I will link it somewhere here and put it in the description box as well. Do watch that as well. And from the title you have made it out, it's about skincare routine, especially the days when I use makeup. It is even more essential to use good skincare, because whatever you do for your skin will help you in a long run. Like, it is like if you're painting your wall without a primer and proper products used, how much even you do with the textures and etc., it will not look good. The cracks will come up. It is similar with your skin. If you don't have a proper skincare routine, if you don't take good care of your skin, if you are not hydrated enough, your skin will not look good. So what you see here, right here, is completely bare face. It does not have any makeup, just a lip balm and my night cream. Whatever you will see in this video, it's just that. So it is my request to all of you watching this video that do a proper skincare routine. But due to time constraints, we ladies, we girls often forget to take care of yourself. At least for weekends, keep a good routine for yourself, and on daily basis, do not forget to use. And also, what is very much more important, apart from your CTM, is good hydration of your body. So drink a lot of water in the entire day. Have fruits which are more hydrating quality, and have a proper balanced diet. Even if you're having like food at home, homemade food, it has enough of qualities. Our Indian food is completely sufficient for good hydration, good balance of your diet. So just have that. Avoid junk food as much as possible, because junk food do tend to get you more pimples on the skin. It tends to get, means any kind of oily food gets your skin very much patchy also. So these are few tricks apart from your skincare also you need to follow to have a proper skin, because ultimately any makeup will only look good on you if you have a proper skincare and a proper diet along. So without wasting further much of time, without any more of gyan from my end, let's straight head on to the video and see what all I do.
So this is the face with full of makeup. It required time, so I'm using this Garnier micellar water to first clean off my makeup base. So you see, generally I use a cotton pad, but today I ran out of cotton pads, so I'm using this cotton. This is the medicated cotton. It is very soft, so I'm using the same, and I'll remove slowly entire makeup using this micellar water. This micellar water is very good if you're using some products which are waterproof, like the mascaras and the matte lipsticks also. It removes it like perfectly and seamlessly. So I'm just doing it really quickly using some more of micellar water. You can see how perfectly it just removes the mascara. Like, I just keep it for a few seconds and then I wash it, and then the lips also, in one swipe it's gone. So it's really a good thing if you want to have something. This Garnier micellar water is wonders. After the Garnier micellar water, I take this Himalaya cleansing milk, because even if you are using a micellar water, some foundation and base gets stuck. So few more steps are always required if you are using makeup. So I use this cleansing milk. This is very affordable and herbal as well. So you could definitely try out any other thing, but if you are on budget, this is a very good thing. Then I use this face wash. This is my daily face wash. So this is one of the steps which I do on a daily basis. As I was talking, there are few steps you need to follow every day. So a proper cleansing, toning and moisturizing is required on a daily basis. And if you are using makeup, then a few steps, like I have used a cleansing milk and a micellar water, and then I'm using the face wash. On general days, I probably skip the cleansing milk part, and I skip the cleansing milk part, or I can skip the micellar water part, but I do use this papaya face wash. This is amazing. I use this face wash on my dry face. I start using little water, and I'll just keep lathering it up for better cleansing. I do it on my neck area, my ears and my face regularly. It will help you. Means whenever you're doing a face wash, do across your face. Use your fingers below your lip area and nose, because these are the places. Then I dab it with the towel, and just don't rub your face with the towel. Just dab it and remove the excess water. This is the plum tea tree oil toner or mist, which is amazing. I use it on a daily basis. I have already finished a bottle of it. This is a plum tea tree under eye gel, which I use on daily basis under my eyes because I am having very sleepless night these days. So this is a must for my skincare routine, and this is amazing as well. It is gel based, so it is not very sticky and does the work perfectly. It removes your under eye circle. It helps you to get rid of any eye bag if you have, under eye bags if you have. For my night cream, I am using this Plum's night cream. I will link down all the products in the description box. So I have taken this in excess quantity and I'll thoroughly massage it across my face and my neck area. So I have just, you can see it's in little excess quantity only because I'll just keep massaging it until it gets completely absorbed in my face. So, and after this I'll use a lip balm from Maybelline. So that's it for today. This is my skincare routine. If you have liked it, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, lots of love. Bye.